Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Liam, and I'm back with a brand new video. I've got Jacob here. Say what's up.
Fuck off. Shit, fuck.
You messed it up. So we're working on his Camaro again today. He's got these tinted black taillights, so we're swapping his old taillights, and he got these taillights. eBay special, ain't that right?
That's where we got all our parts from.
That's where we get all of the parts from.
Yes.
We got the 6-cylinder engine, so we can't be paying top dollar for these parts. We gotta save our money for the big boy engines.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna swap these taillights out. I'll take you through the install process, probably more than my car. So let's go and swap them out.
All right, guys. Fucked up the intro a little bit. Might not have been the best, but we're just grabbing the ratchet right now. Camera vape might be a little shaky, but oh well. There he is, backing up the beautiful whip. He needs to take that ugly ass claw decal off though. He's looking. Look at he's so ugly. Got the fucking Camaro. They're doing some construction. They woke me up at fucking 7:30 this morning. Very upsetting.
All right, so Jacob's gonna go move his car into the garage because, well, it's shady in here, and this guy across the street is making a lot of noise. So, ooh, did you hear that? Jacob, you don't need to go all the way in. There you go, that's fine. Great. Yeah. Blow my eardrums out, why don't you? Ha! You cooked yourself, ha, idiot. Oh, he's getting out this side? Yeah, buddy, how are you gonna get back in, idiot?
Same way we just got out?
Ha! He went out the passenger door. All right, so Jacob and I dropped a bolt down here.
Fucking silicone.
Oh yeah, when we were installing his spoiler. And we're trying to use this magnet here. Where's the magnet? Give me the magnet. We're gonna use the magnet to try to get the bolt out of there, so hopefully it works. I don't know if it will.
Well, we don't know where it is though, that's the problem.
Take all these off.
We just took this off.
Oh yeah, it sounds like it's in the middle.
It sounds like it's in here somewhere. Or up in here maybe.
We found it.
Yeah, it's just hiding up in here.
It's hiding in the hole.
Yep.
That thing was so annoying. Okay. All right, we're gonna start on the taillights now. Get these red ones going.
A regular bolt in here.
All right, if anybody also wants the old stock red taillights, I don't know why you would, but we're probably gonna put these on eBay. So I'll probably throw a link to them in the description if they're on eBay by then. All right.
So yeah, you just need a 8mm socket and a ratchet.
And a ratchet.
And then there'll be 3 little bolts in here, but.
And the flathead.
You know, that's like like a plastic
Flathead
fastener.
to pop those off. Yeah. And then the ratchet to take 3 bolts off.
3 bolts on in here.
Do you have to take this stuff off?
No, we just need to take this one clip off, and then we can pull this out
Pull it back.
here. Yeah.
Okay.
This is when I wish I didn't cheap out and I actually bought a tab remover. Oh, there we go.
Does this need to come out too?
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, that truck is so annoying.
Yeah, I know, that woke me up this morning.
Huh. Take this piece off. Yes, sir. Easy.
Then we need to take this off in here. And this should just come right off though. Hopefully we don't break it, that'd be unfortunate.
It doesn't really matter if you break it, honestly.
Yeah, no, but
Nope, these tabs are a bitch. Yeah.
so
Dude, those clips were absolutely irritating to get off, but you gotta unscrew these 2 bolts, and then there's a bolt back there, right there. Yeah.
you actually got it.
Here, I'll hold this liner for these 2, and then I'll hold the liner for the other one.
We should only need to start them because they're hand tight, I'm pretty sure. Oh, is it?
Is it the right way?
No, it's not. There we go. That should be good. Nope.
More than that. Why do you have so many extensions on there?
I couldn't tell you. Just how it is. There we go. If we drop one of these,
then it's not gonna matter. It literally does not matter.
This bitch is so long, bro.
All right, so we unscrewed all 3 of the bolts now.
The last one.
The last one's a pain in the ass, but that's just because the extender's really long. And
the ratchet. No, the ratchet. More
the ratchet, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so now you just pop it out or pull it out. There we go.
Then where's the?
Right there, the connector.
So you have to
pull the red one forward or back. Yeah, and then just pull it up. Okay, we finally got the old tail light off. Now, wait, let me see. This thing was a pain to get out from the harness. What was the wrong? The red thing was.
It was all the way back, but like the little clip. I don't know if you can see it, but just right there, the little clip on top of it. I guess it wasn't lifting up all the way, so I just used a little. I used a flathead just to lift it up just a little more. And
oh, you did.
After that, we were pulling and pulling for
15, we were pulling for like 10 minutes. Yeah.
But right when I lifted it up, it took. I mean, it was effortless and it came right off. So.
Thank God. Okay, good.
Yeah, it's about time these go though.
Yeah, let's put the new ones on.
I don't want to scratch these, but they'll be fine right here.
Okay.
Yeah, well.
Here, no, just put it over here. Put it where we took the last ones off.
Listen, does this have any marking on it to say it's LEDs?
No, probably not.
No, here, we should probably plug it in first.
No, yeah, plug this one in before we screw it in. Yeah, exactly. Or I'll do it for you, that way you can see, because I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
Jacob's just making sure that they're LEDs. What do I click? Just the brake?
I'm not even really good in on that side though.
Dude, I'm small, I can fit. Here, hold the camera. All right, here, hold the camera and.
Yeah, so there's like, I hit the brake, the reverse, and the right turn signal. It should be good.
Can you start it?
Yeah.
Brakes on.
Yeah, okay, so now do turn signal. All right, reverse. Yeah, they're LEDs. Yeah, you're good.
All right, so the screws were easy. These two were the same difficulty. That one was way harder. We took this part of the thing off to get to it, but
the trunk, where is some over there?
That's right there.
That's yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna take that out and show how to get the clip off, I guess. Pull it out. Where's the clip? Over there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
I think that stuff's all stuffed down in there still. Yeah, there you go.
That's how it goes in. We can fix that side if you want.
No, it doesn't matter.
All right. Let's see, so just put this bitch up. All right, buddy. There we go, and yeah. So let me just see the screwdriver. Yeah. It's just... Hold this for me, just push this in, there you go, yeah. Oh, there we go. Not too hard.
It's a little bit of a pain, but... Alright, if you guys have watched this far in the video, you need to go down into the comments and tell me if you agree with me that the 2015 Camaro taillights are the most disgusting taillights that has ever been made.
I'd slap the fucking Enclave taillights on this car.
You slapped the Enclave taillights. Ooh, look at that. Fucking chrome.
Put that badge on my fucking windshield and have the 2015 taillights.
Yeah, I'd rather put this badge in the middle of my windshield. God, the freaking 2015 taillights on the Camaro. It's just shit.
Yeah, I agree. They're horrendous.
Here, go in the car. We'll close the trunk, and I'm gonna make sure all the lights work.
Alright. I can't get in on this side, you go. I can't get in.
Alright, well then record them.
Yeah, here.
Hang on, like let's get a nice panoramic shot from back here though. No, not of me, of the tail. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. Yes.
The lighting though needs to get
the lighting's ass. Yeah, well pull your car out later and do some drive.
Oh, there we go, that's better. Ooh, that's nice.
Indeed.
The left one fits the other. They're both OEM from GM. The right one though has a little gap on it, but it'd be like that sometimes.
Yeah.
You're good. The door's fine. Huh? Yeah.
Brakes.
Yeah, they work. Yeah, looks good. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it looks good.
Alright, he's gonna drive down the street with the taillights like this. yes, they look a lot better than stock. Yeah. Completely, pretty much blacked out, yep. Those are definitely darker than mine. All right, you're good to go, Jacob. Yeah, if you can see comparison to my taillights. Yeah, my taillights are not as dark as his, but his are pretty, yeah, his are like almost black now. Yeah, they literally look black from here. They're honestly, they're just tinted. They're the taillights that are red, but they're tinted. That's what those are. But he just didn't feel like tinting his, so he's just gonna buy, he put those on and we're gonna sell the other ones. Oh yes, they look so good. Yeah, thanks buddy. Unfortunate.
Truly unfortunate. It does not get any more.
I didn't realize these were connected.
Yeah, I told you they were, the fucking bumpers shook. Roll the fucking raccoon.
Jacob, look. When we got the headlights on, they gassed me those good clips. They're new.
They actually did, but look at this. How'd you chunk your tire like
Hey,
this?
hey, don't peel it off, cause see the curb? That's how I chunked my tire.
Have you showed them the bad curb?
Oh yes, okay, hang on.
No,
They haven't seen the curved wheel. Yeah. We were at Busch Gardens
The
and
back left wheel is cooked.
we cooked my wheel.
Truly, are all 4 of yours curved?
No, only that one and this one. I think. Wait, maybe.
No, that one's clean.
That one's clean. I think this one honestly might be curbed. Yeah, this one's curbed.
Okay, yeah, you got one more.
Oh, and the tires.
Jesus Christ.
No, leave it.
Yeah, you got one more to go. I mean, this curb's not too far from here. You just want to make it even. Just
No, I'm not curving all 4 of my wheels.
go break your fucking axle.
They're replicas. It's fine. Toby.
This is the fucking shop manager. He overlooks all the Ricer car mods, like painting the engine bay.
All right, buddy. All right, guys. We're gonna give our cars a quick wash, real quick. And that's all I've got for this install video. The taillights came out pretty easily. If you guys want to do it, well, you know how to now. So, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below if you guys have any questions or have any concerns or anything like that. I'll answer your comments. Follow me on social media at Liam Zeno on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. That's all I got for you guys. Leave a like I said, and I'll How do we get out of here?